Alright, we got Sunday Funday forecaster right here. Alright, I'll just start with the front. Got alienation deviant rim in black with purple nipples. More than 2.1 forks. And a profile hub in purple. We got a Sunday frame. Profile headset. Or stem, I mean. A kink Byko headset. Snafu Mobius. Gyro, whatever. Alright, we got this Sunday tall tees. ODI long necks. Shack Conspiracy bar ends. We got the Odyssey M2 lever in small. The Odyssey M2 cables. We got the Colony Super Slim Steve in purple. Snafu Astroglide cable, bottom cables. Alright, Sunday forecaster frame. Profile left-hand drive cranks with Primo Super Slim PC pedals. Odyssey Burlington sproket. Shack Conspiracy chain half link. The Odyssey Evo 2 brake mechanism. Odyssey Slim by 4 brake pads in clear. We got the Sunday seat clamp and the Kink Super Stump seat post. Let's see here. We got left-hand drive tide driver in profile. We got the Odyssey 7KA rim with purple nipples as well. The tires, I got the the Max's Grifter. The front, the back of, the front is a Fit FAF folding. What?
Bottom bracket.
Oh yeah, we got the animal bottom bracket in purple. And that's just pretty much it. Any questions, just comment and try to watch our other videos. Alright, see ya.